Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to divide a circle into 7 equal parts. Let's start with our circle. I'm using a 5 centimeters radius here, but you can use any radius you prefer. Next, instead of drawing the usual horizontal line, this time I'm going to start with a vertical line. Again, you can eyeball it, you can measure the distance, whatever you prefer. Just make sure that your vertical line is passing through the center. Then I'm gonna grab my compass using the same initial radius. I'm pointing my compass on this intersection right here and making 2 marks on the circumference. These 2 lines represent the 6-fold division, which is not needed, so you can definitely delete them, erase them in the end. I just need them to measure my next radius, so I'm pointing my compass back here, and I am opening the compass to be tangent to these 2 lines. I'm double checking both sides just to make sure that it's tangent, and then I'm drawing 2 marks on the circumference. These marks represent the 7th-fold division. So I'm using my compass all over the circumference to mark my points of intersection. And I'm also checking the last 2 points if they match. If they match, it means my division is accurate. Now, starting from the top, I am dividing my circle into 7 equal parts. As I said before, you can delete the 2 lines that we started with. And just keep those that are bold here. And just like that, my 7-fold division is ready. Make sure to subscribe if you like this content, and bye!